Today I'm here at Learning Express to find some fidget toys. So let's go there. First, over here, I see this push ball. Now let's go over here. They have some sensory bracelets. They have kinetic sand. Ooh, it's cookie scented. They have these super cool video game globals and monkey noodles. They have tangles. They have these like stretchy feet monkey noodles, Rubik's cubes, so many fun stuff. Here they have the famous Pop It game and some Pop It bags. They have a mystery fidget box, specs, wacky tracks, fidget spinners, snappers, mini poppets, dimples. It's super fun. Here they have like kind of the stress ball section. They have this sand-filled puppy. They have these Galaxy Neatos. They have noodles. Over here they have DNA balls. They have some more Neatos. They even have this strawberry stress ball. They have these little pups in the little like cups. They have this Karmagami fidget toy. They have these ice cream or these stress balls. More tangles over here. Some monkey noodles. Here are the Pop-It bags, and this one is even heart-shaped. They have globals. They have squishmallows, and much more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and bye!